The PMI is a survey-based measure that assesses respondents' perceptions of key business variables compared to the previous month. It is an index of economic trends in the manufacturing and service sectors, providing information about current and future business conditions to decision-makers, analysts, and investors. The PMI is calculated separately for the manufacturing and services sectors, and then a composite index is constructed. It is a number from 0 to 100, with a score above 50 indicating expansion, and a score below 50 indicating contraction. If the PMI of the previous month is higher than the current month, it indicates that the economy is contracting. PMI is released at the start of every month and is considered a good leading indicator of economic activity. IHS Markit, a global leader in information, analytics, and solutions for major industries and markets, compiles PMI for over 40 economies worldwide. PMI helps make informed decisions at an earlier stage, as official data on industrial output, manufacturing, and GDP growth comes much later. PMI is different from the Index of Industrial Production, IIP, which also gauges the level of activity in the economy. The PMI is a reliable indicator of the economy, providing a reliable expectation of the economy, especially manufacturing. It is closely watched by investors, business, traders, and financial professionals, as well as economists. PMI is also considered a leading indicator of economic activity, as it comes before official data on industrial output, core sector manufacturing, and GDP growth. It is used by central banks to set interest rates and is a crucial tool for decision-making.